So let's talk about the customer experience, because should be number one to most. One thing I have found, and I have asked business owner after business owner after business owner, it's a one word question, Rico. Why?
Right.
Why? And I don't mean to be the annoying 5-year-old kid in your backseat that's probably half listening to this while you are as well. Like, I mean, like, why do you do things the way you do them? Can you explain the value of your process? One thing that Eugene Hicks said on the recent episode was talking about the purpose. Was talking about your mission statement, your value, your purpose. I have seen companies that can have memorized it. Every employee from owner to janitor can spit out the mission statement and values like that. I've met companies where not a single person knows what their mission statement is as a company. So it's quite a dichotomy between those two. But the one thing that should be universal for every business owner, if you want to dominate your space, you want to dominate your company, you want to dominate it all, you need to understand why you do things the way you do them.